Hey guys, so welcome back to me, and I'm so sorry because the lighting was bad, or yeah, maybe the background noise. Cause actually I didn't get a haircut. I just just did that. So today I'm gonna show you the squishies that I actually didn't recommend because they're like really bad, but I actually still love them. Sorry, my knees. So let's get on to the first one. So the first one was this Rilakkuma Retro. I don't know, maybe some of you guys know this squishy. It's like kind of popular, but it's really fast to be dirty. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? So yeah, and it's not like other squishies. Like other white squishy actually doesn't really, if they get dirty, not really fast. This one really fast to be dirty, and top came off, and my brother put candy, so that's good for Halloween. And let me spray it for you. But I really love it. You know, I love my dumb squishies. And it's crack. See? Look at those cracks. They're like really annoying when you get a squishy that actually cracked. It's like, I don't know. I spent lots of money. It's like 70 rupiah, and like I buy this in squishy shop like Casablanca. Very good price, still love it. It's polarizing and so soft, and it smells really good. So, yep. Yeah, look at those birds. So that's the first one. I'm gonna show you the second one. The second one is this cream puff. Why you say I didn't like it first? It's a rock, and it's actually like cracked. You can see those cracks, and the bad thing is it's really easy to eat. Then like I waxed it. Can you see it? Look at this. So I just waxed it. I am like right now playing it. It's very fun, and like I never knew will happen. Maybe so actually like some of the cream puff squishy were really bad, not really bad, but they're really hard to rip, and I lose the ball chain because it's also get fast to get off, and but still smells good, and like it's hard as a rock, and my fingers really hurts now. Now they're gonna slap the squishies. Like so rough. Like they didn't like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm sorry because I get really silly right now. And don't forget to check out my other videos, and see you guys next time.